Hello, everyone. My name is Selena, and I'm a prospective student recruiter for the Faculty of ALES. Today, we'll be going over some tips and tricks for course registration for the faculty. Before we begin, the University of Alberta acknowledges that we are located on Treaty 6 territory and respects the histories, languages, and cultures of our First Nations, Métis, Inuit, and all First Peoples of Canada, whose presence continues to enrich our vibrant community today. In the Faculty of ALES, you will be given a program check sheet. As you can see, I have an example on the right side of the page of what that will look like for you. The program check sheet will be broken down into year 1 through 4. This will be a great guideline for you to use when you start scheduling your courses. First, you will want to prioritize all of your ALES courses. So this includes your nutrition, food science, nutrition, human ecology, animal science, plant science, renewable resources, rural sociology. These courses are typically only offered once a year at a specific time, so that is why it is important for you to prioritize them when you are scheduling. Additionally, I would recommend scheduling your intro biology and chemistry courses if you have space available, as these courses are going to be prerequisites or co-requisites for your upper year courses. Next priority when you are scheduling will be your core courses. So, this could include your English, writing studies, statistics, math, economics, or any other ones you have in your program check sheet. Then, lastly, you can start scheduling if you still have space available, free electives or approved program electives. Free electives are any course from any faculty. As long as you meet the requirements to register for the course, that can be used as a free elective. Compared to our approved program electives, this will be a very specific list that was created by the faculty for your program. If you are one of our college block transfer students, you will also receive a program check sheet. However, it will look a bit different as you can see in the example on this page. Your sheet will have green boxes for any course that you received credit for, so we'll say that block transfer. Then any of the white courses are the ones that you still need to complete for your degree at the U of A. Similar, when you start scheduling your courses, you can start with your year 1 with the ALE specific courses. So, again, human ecology, animal science, plant science. Then start scheduling those core courses. Again, math, economics, statistics. Then, if you still have space available, you can look at your electives or approved program electives. Since block transfer students get credit in year 1, 2, 3, and even possibly 4, you will want to start scheduling yourself from year 1. Then, if you still have space available, you can definitely go into year 2 and 3. If you are one of our forestry students, you must register for REN R 101. This is our field school that is a mandatory course that you will have to participate in the last week of August. If you are a student that has been admitted to our Bachelor of Science in Agriculture with majoring in animal science or our Bachelor of Science in Animal Health, either major, and you're thinking about going to vet school long term, here are just a couple of tips and tricks for yourself when scheduling. 1. Meet with an ALES advisor early on in your program to help with course planning and scheduling. 2. Make sure you are following that program check sheet to ensure you are meeting the vet school prerequisites as well as your degree requirements. 3. Make sure you're taking at least 4 classes per term, as vet schools do have a full time study requirement. 4. Ensure you're taking at least 4 courses in your fall term and focusing on achieving high grades. Vet schools will have a competitive GPA that you will need to meet for their admission. If you are interested in our dietetics program, the applications will open October 1st, 2026 until March 1st, 2027 to apply for the fall 2027 admission. Dietetics does have some prerequisite courses required before you can apply for admission. So when you are looking at scheduling, you can follow these tips and tricks on this sheet. For fall, you will want to make sure you are scheduling Chemistry 101, as this is a prerequisite for the other chemistries that you will need to take in winter 2027. In winter 2027, you will need to take Chem 102 and Chem 261. Then, lastly, when you are scheduling, take a look at your schedule to see where you can fit these other courses. They can either be taken in fall or winter term. This would include your English, English or writing studies, Nutrition 100, Biology 107, Stats 151, and lastly, Native Studies 200 or Native Studies 201. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us at the links provided on this page.